There are so many different ways nowadays for artists and performers to promote their music, and I believe that one of the most effective tools that they do have is social media. I am a firm believer that when we get to know the real artist through social media, when they're relatable, real, and genuine, they have a much more sincere following and fan base of people who are genuinely interested in their career and what they're up to. I think that the greatest example of this is Maxim Vengerov. He is an incredible Russian-born Israeli violinist. He started his career very young at age 5 and is a Grammy Award winner. He has a very, very fun Instagram account. He does so well with his Instagram account for a number of reasons. Number one, I think that he is fantastic with interacting with everyone who loves him and his music. He does frequent giveaways, like his most recent one where he gave away signed baton to one of his fans. He is great at promoting his other accounts, like his YouTube channel here, which he's promoting, which is a good move for any artist to do to promote their other accounts and works. And he is fantastic at promoting his tours, like where this one where he's talking about when he's coming to London. And something great about Maxim is that he posts frequently about his friends and his past and his family. He lets us see that side of him, and it makes us more interested in him and what he's up to. And finally, I think the greatest thing that he's doing, of course, is talking about his music, his love for the violin. Like this post, for example, where he says, "My 1727 Stradivari, a loyal companion since 1998." You can just feel how much he loves what he's doing through this. Of course, he has other ways of promoting his music. He has a website, which I am frankly not the biggest fan of. It's not as user-friendly. It's all kind of scattered, and it only has 3 options for us to find what we want to find. And he doesn't do a great job of promoting his current tours and performances. So it's not the best thing that he's doing right now, but he does have other accounts as well, such as Twitter and Facebook and YouTube. And these luckily are all closer to what he's doing with his Instagram account. So for example, his YouTube channel here, he posts some pretty great videos and collaborations of the music that he's playing and doing, and it's just really great to be able to follow along his music. And so I go back to that, yes, social media is a great way to promote music, and Maxim does a really, really great job with it, especially with his Instagram account.